putting fresh water in the tank because I've been working on that faucet in the bathroom, the shower faucet, to get it to quit leaking. I just put some extra plumber's tape on it, so it should be okay now. Anyway, so as far as this stuff goes, I decided to try and do something with it before I tear it out. So I had some of this tape, which is double stick carpet tape. So what I did was I put a strip of it down each seam. I don't think it's, I don't think it's going to work, but I figured I'd give it a shot and see what it did. Anyway, it worked pretty good in some spots, but long term, I'm not so sure. Anywho, the guy never called me back or texted me about my truck, whether or not he's working on it, which isn't uncommon. His wife has a daycare, he runs his own business, so I'm not overly concerned about the lack of response. Like I said, I'll give it till Friday, and then I'll give him a call back, because I know he takes Thursdays off. I really wish the truck was here. There's things I need to put in the truck. It would just help with the progress of getting ready to go if I had the truck. I don't. Anyway, so I heard from my daughter last night, and they made it to Maryland. What they did was they drove from here to Los Angeles, and Tim did his show. He had a concert to do. And then they were supposed to catch a plane on a certain day, but they missed that flight, so they had to go the next night. And they flew into Tennessee, I believe, Nashville. I don't know if Tim had a show there. I'll put his link up there so you can listen to his music on YouTube. Anyway, I don't know if he had a show in Tennessee or if he had a, I don't know, an appointment with a radio station to do a gig. I don't know. Anyway, so when they got done there, they rented a car in Tennessee and drove, I think she said 14 miles to Maryland, to my son's house. So they are in Maryland visiting with my son, the two new grandbabies, Asher and Emmy, and my son's wife, Solana. So I'm not sure how long they're going to be there, but I'm sure she'll send pictures. I hope she does. Anyway, I wish I'd have thought of it sooner. I'd have called Sonia and made that appointment to get the TrailManor looked at while I'm there. Remind me to do that tomorrow. Anyway, I've got some security cameras for the outside. Didn't show you very good, did I? Security cameras for the outside of the TrailManor that I need to get up. They're wireless, so they'll hook probably, I guess, right into my phone, so that I'll be able to see what's going on with the TrailManor when I'm away from it. And yeah, and I believe I got 4 of these. They're just little doney things. Little domes. Put a battery in it, and I guess I love the trains. anyway, put a battery in it, and I guess, oh yeah, there's a little switch back here to turn on the Wi-Fi and hook it up. So I will do that when it's cooler. It's probably about 91, 92 here today. So, yeah. And I've been thinking about staying out here at night. I don't know. Doesn't make much sense to sleep in my dang driveway when I got my house and my bed in the house. But I suppose I really should, just to get used to it. Maybe not to get used to it per se, but maybe more get the feel for it. Yes. Wish I had someone to do this with. But, oh well. So, yeah, I'm still loving the kitty. The kitty that I put on the outside. The map has a few air bubbles in it, so I don't know if I have to take that off and reapply it, if it's going to screw it up to reapply it. I don't know. Anyway, oh, the refrigerator. I think the last video I showed you, I had moved the little thermometer thing way down, and I checked it this afternoon when I came out here, and it was almost at, so I guess the cold air just doesn't go up to that top shelf. So refrigerator's okay. Yay. It's good. I don't know, feeling kind of today. Kind of poopy. Well, I didn't sleep at all. I think it was about 10 when I finally fell asleep this morning. And I slept maybe 3 hours. My back is killing me. It hurts. Maybe from doing all that scraping the other day, putting those stickers up. Oh, and when I filled the tank with water, because I wanted to test the shower faucet in the bathroom, I was amazed at how much water pressure I've got from the faucets inside, just on the pump from the water tank, not from the hose hooked up to the rig, just from the tank. It seems to me the water pressure coming out of that shower head is just as good as the water pressure I got coming out of my house. So I think in an effort to save water, I'm going to do some research and see if there's a way to turn the water pressure down on this rig. I mean, even the bathroom sink and the kitchen sink, it just, yeah, you got to be careful, it splashes all over. Anyway, well, I think I've babbled on long enough. So I'm going to end this video right here. Please don't forget, like, which is the little thumbs up that's down on, I think it's that corner. Right now it's just an outline of a thumbs up. When you click it, it'll turn blue. And then if you hit the subscribe button, I believe it's a red square or a rectangle button, then you'll get notified when I post a new video. And if you share it out to your friends, that would help too. Okay, I'm going to go now. Talk to you later. Bye! Bye, guys.